In this video, I want to show you how you can copy trade in eToro. Now, if you want to copy trade on eToro, you want to head over to the website, sign in, and go to the copy trader. Once you're inside of here, I suggest you click on view all, and then you can put some filters if you want to, but just leaving it like this is fine. Then once you're in here, you should be able to see the ones that have the highest return. So you can see this guy right here has the highest return within the last 2 years. So if you want, you can click on this guy and you can see more on his profile. So you can see that he has been doing pretty well for the last 4 years. But if you don't like this one, you can just click on the others and see how they have been performing. If you're ready to copy them, simply press on the copy button and select the settings that you want to choose. So that is how you can copy trade in eToro. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.